I usually just
balancing yourself.
I saw her.
She's just wanting to lean back too much.
Come on, get her moving. She's fine. Just yeah, that's what I do. Just wrap it around your hand. Come on, Daddy's gonna take you. Here, take.
Hold on. There you go. Good girl.
Here, there you
Good
go.
girl.
There you go.
Oh, come on.
Good job.
Come on. Yay.
Yay, Cara! Yay! Ha! Yay! Dada got you? Who got you?
That's terrific.
Yeah.
That's terrific.
Yeah. Oh. Go ahead, guys. You showing off your skills? She's too much.
Too much, kid.
Good baby.
Very good.
Happy Juno.
Happy
Come on. Here, I'll take her. Are you good?
What?
You take her? Is it hard leaning over? Trade you.
What are you doing?
I'll give you this.
Oh, for what?
Just hold it.
You want
Take her.
some of the stuff
We
I
run.
sent out by email.
Yeah, definitely.
It might make you laugh today. You make half a chance you've already seen them. Oh, look at that.
Oh, man! And she's smiling.
Isn't that fun? Loving it. You're loving it.
What you got?
Just ran over a dog turd.
Oh.
Ready? Up and over.
Amelia!
Whoop.
Hey!
They get jealous.
Yeah, I suppose.
How great. That's some mom there, by the way.
Whose car is this? Do you guys know?
Woo!
They all of a sudden last night.
Got her wrapped.
Yeah.
Good job! Yay! Hurry!
I don't know how to stop this. Yeah, there was an old Bronco came down the road last night. When